Hey everybody, just wanted to record a quick video for you guys today. Just something really cool that we found with ChatGPT as a recommendation from another YouTube expert. Figured I'd share. So, what you want to do is you want to go into your analytics and then you want to click on where it says see more. Advanced mode. And then I like setting this to video, and then you're going to click on this, and then everything that is available to click on. So if it's white like this and not grayed out and doesn't have a scratch through it, click on it. Specifically everything under overview, under reach, and under interactions, like this entire column. This other stuff helps, but mostly just focus on this column, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on this right here. It says export current view, and you're going to want to tell it to export as a Google Sheet. And you're going to get something like this. Then what you're going to do is you want to take this and you want to start copy and pasting it into a ChatGPT instance like what we have here. Now, what you're going to want to do with this is you're going to say, hey, I've got a whole bunch of data here for you, and I'd like for you to analyze it and tell me what you think. And then you just start copy pasting the data in. I was able to do about 20 videos at a time, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less. It just depends on the number of characters. Like there's a limit to the number of characters you can enter into this thing. And what will happen is it's going to start actually going through and analyzing all of the data from those YouTube videos. And so we started doing that. I actually set this to the last 90 days instead of the last 28 days. It said it preferred that information. So I went through, added all this stuff in, and it started giving me some really, really interesting information. So here's the table that it created. It started giving me some actual breakdowns of like, hey, you know, these are kinds of videos that tend to perform really well. This is the rate of interaction. So like your like to dislike radios, that kind of stuff. There's a lot of shorts mixed into this, and that's kind of skewing some of the data a little bit. I said, okay, so what kind of factors tend to lead for a video performing well? Well, it looks like the longer the video is, the better engagement it has, and that are about specific topics like video games perform really well. So at least within my data set, right? I said, okay, say I want to get a video that gets over 100,000 views. What would I need to do? So, well, make a video between 10 and 20 minutes long. Try and get more likes, comments, and shares. Try and keep people watching the video for as long as possible, and then make the video about gaming content, stuff like that. I said, all right, cool. Then I asked it to give me like a percentage of how much each of those different things would affect it. So it said like the high view duration is a 42.25%. The high likes ratios is worth about 30%. Retention time is about 17%. I said, okay, that's really cool. Give me some ideas for videos that I can make that you think would probably be able to reach 100,000 views within 90 days. But I also want you to include how likely it is for that video to reach that number of views within that time period. So it gave me this. Top 10 Minecraft mods of 2023. There's a 61.25% chance if I make the video following all those other guidelines and characteristics, you know, 10 to 20 minutes long, blah, 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 blah. There's a 61.25% chance of it getting 100,000 views within 90 days. Cyberpunk 2077, best glitches and bugs, 41%. The ultimate guide to farming in-game gear and Warframe, 57%. Exploring the Nether update in Minecraft 1.18, 54%. So on and so forth. Now, what's interesting about this, and I'm sorry I'm talking so fast, this can only record for 5 minutes, is that these aren't random topics. All of my best performing videos on YouTube are related to these topics in one way or another. So I have a whole series on cyberpunk glitches. That series has 1.5 million views. My Minecraft mods are consistently bringing in a few hundred views per day. And especially the shorts perform really, really well. So like that's really, really interesting. I said, okay, what specific things should I be looking for as well? Are there any other factors that I should be paying attention to? Again, high engagement. My YouTube shorts tend to perform really well. Make sure the video is high quality. Add some variety of stuff, and so on and so forth. But yeah, like I said, it's really, really interesting because this is giving me some very, very solid ideas and recommendations as far as things that I can do in order to actually grow my YouTube channel. And it's giving me not just ideas, but it's also telling me what statistic probability there is that I'm going to be able to reach this goal of 100,000 views. So now I'm going to try it with 1 million views and see what it does. I also have some other video ideas and buckets that I'm going to be testing. So I'm going to run that through here and see what it thinks, see how it, what kind of estimates it could provide for me. So if you guys would like to learn more about this, let me know. I'm probably only going to put this video in the Discord. I'm going to put it on YouTube as well. I don't know. But if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. And if you want to see more stuff like this, let me know. I think this is really, really cool. And I'm very, very excited about the cool stuff that we can do with ChatGPT and AI in the future. Bye!